So imagine a situation in New York during a crowded evening. Exactly at the midst of the street, there is a mysterious bag which is kept, and out of that mysterious bag comes out a naked girl whose entire body is tattooed. And solving those tattoos is going to be the main plot of the entire series.
You know whose bag this is?
No clue.
There's something in there!
Dr. Borden, this is Supervisory Special Agent Kurt Weller.
Oh, you? Wow.
Do you recognize her?
No. I've never seen that woman before in my life.
Back.
We have never had a case like this before.
In any of our databases.
All of her tattoos are brand new. All of them.
It's a Navy SEAL tattoo. We think she might have been special ops.
That'd explain a few things.
None of this feels real.
You're gonna be okay.
Someone likes playing games.
And it's just the beginning.
Welcome back to the channel everyone. I hope you guys are doing absolutely fine. So today we are going to review Blind Spot all 5 seasons in a very short time. Because this series I have totally binged in last week, and it took approximately 3 weeks for me to finish this entire all 5 seasons, to be frank. And after watching Quantico, I was not totally going to watch a similar type of an action thriller drama, but I went for it, and after first episode itself I was totally hinged to it, because it covers a story which includes a lot of genres. It starts from the mysterious angle, then it includes action thriller, and even there is a romantic angle to that, and even after all it includes a lot of traveling, which includes the entire almost all parts of the world. So I started watching this series behind that mindset, but the storyline is, I must say that it is one of the biggest factor which will keep you hinged to the series. And it starts with everything at Times Square, which starts with Jane Doe, who is the main character's name, or we can say it is the given name by herself, and the entire series is basically behind overpowering a government which involves corruption, and in a way that particular gang which is behind overthrowing the government is shown as a negative factor during the first few seasons. And out of that is an output of Jane Doe, who wipes her memory off and presents herself at the Times Square. Obviously, after wiping her memory, she creates herself as an internal part of FBI who is going to infiltrate the FBI. So Shepard is the gang leader who was actually one army general in the back, and after that she was trying to overpower the government. And Jane Doe, who was also whose actual name is Alice Kruger, and she is basically being adopted by this Shepard lady, and she even adopts her brother too, and they have been given names as Remy and Roman. So so that naturally explain how she has all these military skills, how she is very much talented. She can speak almost every language which is there, and she has all these fighting skills and everything. So basically it is shown that she tries to infiltrate FBI, but in doing so she turns into a better person because of Kurt Weller, who is the second main character of the series. So we get to know Kurt because his name is one of Jane Doe's tattoo, who is the biggest tattoo on her back. And due to that, we get to know that even Shepard or the main villain, whoever is doing this, is somehow related to Kurt Weller too. And from that, we get introduced to a team of 5 from FBI, including the first character, which is Reed. He's the partner of Weller. Second character, which is Zapata, who is again an excellent agent, who was previously with NYPD, and further in the further seasons she even joins CIA. And the fourth character, which is Patterson, who is the entire brains behind this entire mission, and she basically is the biggest character because of which most of the tattoos have been encoded. And fifth character is obviously our Jane Doe, who has now turned into a better person. So in this process, the major medicine which has been used is Zip, because of which Jane's memories were wiped out, and this has the entire epicenter of the entire storyline, because due to this medicine, a lot of other factors, including Shepard and even in the final season that we get to know, there is a character whose name is Burke, who tries to again overpower everything by the usage of this drug. But using this drug is also has its own consequences, and in the end we get to know that even Jane is going to somehow face the same fate. So this story, which has been revolving around this everything, comes to an end in the final season, where Kurt lets Jane know that everything which is occurring right now, like right away from when they had started off as FBI agents, and whatever they have went through to stop these villains, in the parallel universe there should still be some happy ending, but everything basically was happening in Jane's head, and the end that they face is really very much surprising. So I really want to keep this review as spoiler free as possible, because I ended up liking all these characters, and there is a lot of thrill, there is a lot of drama, there is everything that you can expect from an action thriller TV series. There is romance, there is a lot of traveling to beautiful parts of Europe and a lot of places which are occurred in the series. So you should definitely start watching this movie. I have tried as best as possible to keep this review as spoiler free as possible, because this is again out of those series which has recently ended, and again there are talks of a few spin-offs, but I really don't think so there would be any other further season, or if they would definitely announce it very soon. So that is all for this review, guys. Do let me know how the video is in the comment section below. I'll be trying to review more and more TV series every week. So there would be a description of a playlist too of the other series that I have reviewed. So do check out that as well. And please subscribe to the channel if you haven't subscribed it yet. And I'll be meeting you in the next video.